Husband and I were really happy with the work from Lynn Interiors. We thought that it took our house to the next level. We still can't believe that we live here, that this kitchen is ours. We get to use all these rooms on a daily basis. It was the best decision we made in our entire remodeling process. Lynn Interiors is different from other designers in that Amy really tries to figure out what people need and how they live. She wants to understand how you and your spouse work and interact together, what side of the bathroom you want to be using as for your vanity. She just tries to get into our heads, and I think it made a huge difference in the overall product. I heard about Lynn Interiors from Instagram. I have a little bit of an addiction. Lynn Interiors provided design services for our kitchen, three bathrooms, and a laundry room. As well as additional areas in our house. I would refer a family or friend to Lynn Interiors. In fact, I've referred multiple friends to Lynn, and I think they're enjoying working with her as well.